If we buy any product, they provide us a manual for how to use the product properly and also our safety purpose. The same method, you must read the full terms and conditions of YouTube to understand what are the do's and don'ts to safeguard your channel from termination. First, you create a personal Google account because unable to create a YouTube channel without a personal account. The old account helps you for quick monetization, so avoid creating new account for your channel. And select the perfect name for your channel. The name must be very short, simple and memorable. Use your personal account as a channel if you are a celebrity. Otherwise, you create a brand account for other categories. Since lot of people have a same name, so the viewers get confused to find you. And must do two-step verification and use only strong password for your account to protect from hackers. And study the purpose and usage of each and every option and settings in YouTube and modify that for your requirement. Since some simple steps help to make your channel grow easily. After that, create your social media accounts for promoting your channel to grow fast. And choose a perfect and suitable color combination for your channel. Then design your channel art and channel logo using Canva. It's completely free. The link also available in the description below. And add important infos in your channel art to attract the viewers. Then write about your channel in channel description section. It's simply answer the 5W and 1 how. Means what, where, when, why, who, then how. And must add your channel related keywords in your channel tag section. Always use tags how the people search. You must use the same order of this checklist for creating your channel to save your time and improve your productivity. Become a YouTuber, link your channel with AdSense or MCNs using YPP to monetize and generate ad revenues for your videos. Provide your own PDF book or product link in your video description. Also add on basic info link section in customization tab. It's appear in your channel art. Ask your viewers to support you by donating through a crowdfund or fan funding sites like Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon. Tie up with other channel creators and promote their channel in your video and end screen to get rent from them. If you have a website, you get double benefits. Number 1, share your website link in your description to get more traffic to your website. Number 2, share your YouTube videos on your website to get more views for your videos. Provide YouTube related services like graphic designs, channel review, SEO services, content creation for YouTubers to get more money without AdSense. Since most of the YouTubers are not expert in all those things, they always search for professionals to improve their channel quality. So use this opportunity to help them and get money for that. Some link shortening websites give money for every click of their links, but it's doubtful and have lots of errors also. In this method, when the viewer clicks the link, they play some ads before going to the exact site. We get money for the ads like the same method of AdSense. Ask your YouTube viewers to get together for a paid Q&A session to get more money. Since in our video we post a common contents only, but the viewer has a lot of different types of doubts. So this Q&A session more helpful to them. Now you think everything is available in Google, then why I need to pay for a Q&A session to clear my doubts? Yeah, it's available, but the excessive contents makes you confused only. Instead of that, ask question to a professional human. You get perfect matching answer only for you, not a common answer like a search result. Join Amazon or ClickBank or other affiliate programs and share affiliate links in your video description related to your topic to get money easily. Whenever your viewer buy any products or services through your affiliate link, you get some percentage of commission. Before starting your video content, promote or review sponsorship or your products or anything like ebooks, apps, courses, services, softwares, etc. And share the link in description also to make money more.